The book that we published is really, it's an Educator's Cookbook in using Google apps in the classroom. And so it's a lot of free tools, and there's some add-ons there as well. But with the cost and with the free tools that are available to all students, there isn't a barrier to students being able to use these tools and to basically have access to some very powerful tools to create whatever they like. And I think that's the key more than anything else, is that whole idea of student creation of content. Yeah, we looked at the implementation piece, but then we also looked at the workflow, and that's really the most important thing. As teachers who are emerging using technology with their classes, the workflow piece is really important. How am I going to collect all of this information from my students? How am I going to assess it appropriately? How am I going to add it in so it really becomes a part of my class and not an add-on or something that I place on top of what I'm already doing in class? Another book is possibly in the process, one actually going through what we just talked about, which is that idea of workflow and how teachers can now implement technology so it's not an add-on, and how do they integrate it really into the academic life of their students and into their own professional lives, and how they can make it easier for themselves and their students to work together and collaborate, and how they can collaborate much easier with their colleagues.